Hello guys, welcome to the world of Java. My name is Neha. In our last video, we talked about Java 21 preview feature. Okay, so if you guys missed those videos, please go through link I have provided in the description box. So just a quick recall, what are preview feature? Preview feature are those features which are present in the present release or current release but may or may not be present in the future releases or may be present in different form in the future releases. Those are all preview feature. So we have discussed two features, your void main and your unnamed classes. Okay, so if you guys have noticed, to run those features we always use command line. Okay, but in this video I will show you how you run those features just using your Eclipse IDE. So Eclipse IDE is a very useful tool which make a life of a developer very easy because there are so many inbuilt function over there. Okay, so we will know how to install which Eclipse version we need to install, how we can run those preview features in our Eclipse IDE. Okay, so let's get started. So you must be seeing the site. The site is containing the list of all Eclipse IDs which are present till date. Okay, so the latest release is Eclipse 2023-09 4.29. Okay, so this is the current release. So we have to install the current version because current version mostly support the current Java version as well. Okay, so we have to download it. Okay, once we download the Eclipse version, then what is next step? Next we have to install software or the plugin to support Java 21 on this Eclipse IDE. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, just open your Eclipse IDE. Okay, this is done. Now go to your install new software. Okay, this is a drop down menu which is present under help tool. Okay, so if you click on your install new software, there you will be seeing this work with. Okay, here you have to provide the site link through which you just install the plugins. Okay, now for plugins we have to install this plugin. See, this 4.29p plugin. Okay, this plugin is available for this 4.29 Eclipse IDE which support Java 21 feature. Okay, so we will update this plugin. So here you have to mention that the site name and then next and then finish. Once your plugin will be installed, you have to restart your Eclipse. Okay, that part is done, first and second. Now third is what? Now we have to do some configuration in our Eclipse IDE project so that we can run Java 21. Okay, so first you have to install Java 21 in your system, somewhere in your system. Okay, now what you have to import it in your project. Now this is the test Java project I have created for our testing purpose. Now if you right click on it, here build path, you will see add libraries. Okay, so through add libraries you can add your external jar or all those things which externally you want to put in your project. Okay, so here I'll say JRE system library. I'll do next. Here what I have to say alternate JRE. See, I have already done for 21. It is showing me 21 workspace, default JRE is 21, but how you do it, go to alternate JRE. Now here install JRE, if you click on install JRE, here it will show you the list of JRE which is available for your Eclipse IDE. Okay, now if my ID is already here, see it 21 is already configured over here, but if your is not, you have to click on add. Okay, add, you can say standard VM, then you can go to next. Here in directory you have to provide the path till JDK home. Okay, like mine is JDK 21, it is already there, it is available at certain path in my system. I have provided till JDK 1, or like the folder name which you have provided for your JDK. Okay, inside that all bin libs everything is there and you have to select it. Okay, and then once it is available, it will be, I have installed it, I'll not do this step again, it will be shown over here. Now you can select it as your default, right, like I have selected it as my default, and then you have to say apply and close. Okay, so that part is done. Your JRE will be shown over here. Okay, now what you have to do is, mine is already done, so what I will do is, I will, now my JRE is available for my project. Okay, now one more step we have to do is, we have to make, enable that release command line and the preview feature. I have to enable these two also. So I'll go to configuration, build path, and then I'll go to Java compiler. See, in compiler 21 is already selected over here. If not, you just select it. Now configure workspace, if you go to configure workspace, here your drop down is mentioned over here. So since I have provided 21 also, so I have selected 21, and then you have to click these two check boxes, use // release and enable preview feature for 21. These two selection must be done in order to run Java 21 preview feature. Okay, then apply and close. Okay, that is it you have to do. Okay, so 3-step, latest Eclipse, then install the plugin, then you have to do your release // release button enable, and another is your preview feature enable. Okay, and also you have to attach your JDK 21 JRE, latest JRE. Okay, now that is done. So or configuration setting, that is done. Now what next? Next is, this is my simple file. I have created a simple test file, test Java, and inside that, instead of public static void main, I am only writing the void main and the hello world. Okay, now if I run it, I'll say run, it is showing me hello world. Now let's change it first, right, hello world 1. Okay, and I am saving it. Now if I run it, it show me hello world 1. So this is how it's so simple to run your preview feature using Eclipse IDE. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you do, please like, subscribe and share to all of your friends. And also please mention me in the comments box which other uh, uh, topics you want me to discuss or elaborate. So till my next video, take care, bye bye.